Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. This video will gonna be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use this ClickUp. So first you have to go and here you have to create your account. Here you can go and you can write your email. After writing the email, they will send a verification code on your email. You have to go and you have to verify your email address. After verifying your email address, you have to go and you have to write here your full name, your password. Now here create a name for your workspace. And here we go, our account has been created. Now here you can go and you can use this app. Here I am on the home page and you can see here different tabs. I will show all of these one by one. Here if you will gonna click on these three lines on the top, here you can see different menu. Here you have home and inbox. Here if you will gonna open your inbox, here you can see all your inbox. Here you can also go and you can filter them on the basis of unread, mention and assign to you. Moreover, here you have more options like flag or something. You can go and you can do that. Now let's come to the home page, and here in the home page you have here recent, favorite, and here you have space where you can see your workspace. You can see here everything about your workspace. Here you can go and you can see your projects as well. Next, here you can also go and you can see what people have shared with you. Even here you can go and you can add your space. You can go and you can create a new space here for Teams as well. Here you also have document where you can see and you can upload your documents. Moreover, here you have dashboard and my work. Here in the my work you can see your tasks. You can see here your calendar as well. Here you can go to assign to me and where you can see what project has been assigned to you. And you can also see in comments remarks of your team members, and you can also leave here different remarks. Moreover, here you have this personal list where you can see all your list. For adding reminders, here you can go to your calendar and you can add here reminders. Now for adding here different tasks and different things, you have to go to this create option in the bottom. Here you can go and you can add here track time, notepad, invite, meta AI, documents and email reminders and tasks. Now here for example, if we go and if we add any reminder, just you have to go and here you have to write, like if it's a deadline reminder for any project, you can go and you can write here your reminder. Just you have to write here the title, then here you have to select the date and then the due date. That's basically all about how you can add reminders. Moreover, you can go and you can do different things here. Like here if it teach you how you can do the time tracking, just you have to go and you have to click on time tracker. Here you can go and you can use the timer, or here you can do that manually by adding the time. Even you can go and you can do here through the range as well. That's basically all about how this time tracker thing works. Moreover, here you can go and you can add the task as well. Just you have to go and here you have to write the name for your task. Like here if you write video editing, here if you want to assign this to any team member, you can go and you can assign that to your team members here as well. Here you can also go and you can add the due date and the starting date as well. Here you can also go and you can change the status of your project, like if it's in the to complete or in progress. Here if you want to invite your friend, you can go and you can click on invite and you can invite your friend. Next to create, here you have this inbox where you can see all your inbox, and in the last you have my work. Here in my work you can see all your work, your all projects and their progress. And that's basically all about how you can use this ClickUp. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.